How's it going everyone? Welcome to a video from North Coast Workshop. Today's video is really easy and straightforward. It's just going to be a quick how-to on refurbishing the centre caps for alloy wheels. About a year ago I got my alloy wheels refurbished, and at the same time I bought brand new centre caps to go with them. After about 6 months or so, the centre caps started to deteriorate. The lacquer was peeling and they started to fade as well. So what I did was I took them off, I sanded them down, I then coated them in silver vinyl, and I found these R emblems on eBay, dead cheap, and put them on top. And I've got one here. So that's it there. Oh, if it was the right way around, obviously, it's an R. So yeah, really cheap and easy to do. I could have sprayed them, I suppose. Spraying sometimes gives a better finish, but sometimes it's not the right shade. So what I thought would be easier was just a vinyl wrap and the R emblem on top. And it turned out really good. So we'll cut to the video in a second of how to do that. And also, if you're new around here and you like this kind of videos or you find them useful in any way, then hit subscribe down below. Also hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video and found it useful. And if you've any comment at all, any questions you've got or any suggestions of videos you'd like to see, then again pop them in the comments down below as well. So now we'll cut to the how-to part and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.